on May 4, 2024. Now this is my plant of cereus peruvianus, or it is also called as the monstrosa minor ruba. Now you can see that this is a mature plant of around 2 years old. So now we will try to take its stem cutting for propagation. So I have pruner and one forceps. This type of forceps is called as the sponge holding forceps. Okay, now this is our first stem cutting. Now you can see that because a lot of stem cuttings are totally like they are connected with each other with a very minor gap, so they are very difficult to distinguish from each other. Now we will try. Okay, first we will make a vertical cut like this. Then now I have taken it out, the big section of plant. We can make it half like this. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see a big wound on the plant, on the mother plant. Okay, now this is my fourth cutting, and this wound will be healed after 4 to 5 days. And this one is my fifth one, the fifth cutting. Usually the results of the cuttings are 100% if there isn't any sort of overwatering. Okay, now you can see this is the wound and it will be healed after 4 to 5 days, and these are my cuttings to be propagated. We have to wait for 3 to 4 days or even more in order to plant these cuttings. Okay, on May 29, 2024. Now I have taken my sandy media. And now you can see that these are my cuttings and they are totally dehydrated. They are now entirely dehydrated and shriveled as well. Why it is so? Because a lot of days have been passed and I have just thrown them on the roof. And a lot of sunlight is there, so they got shriveled up and also become dehydrated. But still we will try to propagate these out. Now we have watered our media. And the forceps, this is the artery forceps, not the sponge holding or needle holder. This type of forceps is called as the artery forceps. We will make a hole and then I will insert my cutting in it. Now this is my cutting, and video quality is not so much good. Why it is so? Because maybe there is deficiency of light. Videos are made on the respective dates, but voice has been dubbed after all this. I have put the second cutting. Now we can go for the third one. Also this one. Now I will show you via zoom so that you can see how dehydrated these cuttings are. But still, hopefully I can hope that they will survive. Okay, on July 4, 2024. Now you can see the results. I can see a lot of progress on all sides. Like on shooting side, you can see how well established the plant is. Now these cuttings have become baby plants. And this root bowl is very good. It is holding a lot of media. So, and roots are hidden inside the media, but still we can observe that there are a lot of roots. Now we will go for this one. And here you can see that although two cuttings are there, but the roots are just okay. Let me clean the roots with water. And now you can see how good the roots are. Now we will go for the last one. Okay, also this one. You can also see this one out, this stem cutting. Now this is my last part, and with the help of sponge forceps, I have taken my cactus like this. And now you can see that still there is a good progress on the rooting side. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the monstrosa minor ruba from stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.